So we're over here on the other side of the shop, and I want to share with you guys the update on the '59 Eldorado Biarritz. It is in bare metal, which I think is beautiful. It shows how straight and flat the panels are here, and it's taken a lot of time. It's been everything looking at all of the gaps, all of the parts and pieces, and making sure everything is flat and true. So that takes time, and I wanted to share that with you guys. Something else too is we ran into something where we have the fender off. We have the fender on the table because there was work done to it previously. Kind of created a bow to it, and you could really tell it on the real estate of the vehicle. So there's been hours and hours of work into this, and there's hours more to do. But we wanted to get this all square, show off where we're at, so we can go ahead and kind of give you guys an update. So we can check this out, and we're gonna look at some more parts of the car. So you'll see that we fitted the top on here, and a big thing that we want to do before we restore any parts, we want to fit everything we have. So go ahead and check us out in the future, because we're going to make sure that everything is looking really good on there.